Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will share with you an authentic Greek recipe, tzatziki sauce. Everyone loves tzatziki, right? Basically, all you need to make tzatziki is to add all ingredients and then stir to combine. We will start with 300 grams Greek yogurt. Peel off 100 grams cucumber and then grate it. I have to make a remark. If you'd like a thicker sauce, feel free to squeeze the excess juice out of the shredded cucumber before adding it to the yogurt. Then we will add 4 minced garlic cloves. For a fresh flavor, chop some fresh dill, approximately 2 tablespoons. Add the dill and then season with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Stir all ingredients together until combined. Serve it with pita, fresh veggie sticks, or as a topping in the famous gyros, burgers, or salads. Serve immediately or refrigerate up to 3 days. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.